just old swapping brake pads thing, and something noted, just taking notes. Brake line's twisted. I imagine it's from where somebody put on the drilled and slotted rotors. And so I will reinstall the caliper correctly so it's not all twisty up. That causes brake line failure. Yep. One of the bigger faults of somebody doing brakes is they don't clean off or lube up this caliper slide pin. I use some special formulated stuff for it, but that's just what I use. I undid this top one here, but these things get seized up. They make it look like a faulty caliper. They end up taking a toll on the caliper, take a toll on the rotor. It happens more often than not. Only one side of your brake pads will wear more than the other side of brake pads. These here need to be cleaned off and lubed too. Just a very light coating on the back side of them. It just keeps it from rusting and swelling up back underneath here. And then of course they get lubed down in here gently, not very much, but a little bit on there. Of course the new ears of the new brake pads also get hit with a little bit of lube, the friction points. Not the face of it. I've seen people do that. Oh, bad.